Hey everyone! Welcome back to The Silver Lining here on YouTube, or welcome if you're new. I'm Sarah, and today I am here to bring you the March 2022 Joyful Jordan box. As you know, the Joyful Jordan box is a subscription box. It comes every month on the same day, and it ships for free to my subscribers. You can also purchase the Joyful Jordan box on any order at any time, or you can order multiple if you really like it and want to give as gifts. If you order without a subscription, you do incur the shipping cost. Subscribers enjoy the benefit of free shipping each month. Without further ado, let's go ahead and open it. Inside each box of this little box of awesomeness is always a little postcard. This postcard says, "Believe with all of your heart that beautiful and good things will come to you," and that is Mark 11:24. And on the back of this postcard is a little blip and a description and a picture of each of the items inside. So this looks like an amazing face care box. First is the Gentle Foaming Cleanser. And this is a small 2-ounce version of our Gentle Foaming Cleanser. The Gentle Foaming Cleanser is so good for all skin types. It's a creamy face cleanser right at your fingertips. Gently and effectively removes makeup, dirt, and other pollutants. And it's a really light formula, leaves your skin so soft. The next item is the Cucumber Spa Polish. This is a full-size item. I love that because I already use the Cucumber Spa Polish. So this is a great one that you can actually use from head to toe. It's gentle enough for your face, but you can also use it all over your body as a gentle exfoliant. It's cucumber and walnut infused scrub that leaves your skin fresh and exfoliated. And like I said, you can use it from head to toe. So I like to use it on my face, and then I'll actually use it on my armpits before I shave, on my legs before I shave. That way, whenever you do shave, it's nice and close. Plus, it's gentle enough. It's not aggressive or abrasive. It's just polishing, like it says. The next item is the Daily Moisturizer. This is a full size of our Daily Moisturizer. One small product that delivers soothing moisture while balancing oily areas. And it's a really light formula as well. This says to use, simply place a small amount on your fingertips and apply all over your face and throat with an upward sweeping motion. And it's really nice to have a daily moisturizer that you can trust. This is a great moisturizer for every day. Next is a sample of our Age Defying Serum. And the Age Defy Serum works so good as not only a serum, but also as a makeup primer. Feel a difference almost immediately as your skin's thirst is quenched. These ingredients have been proven to reduce wrinkles up to 84%. See a visible difference in 10 to 14 days. So this is probably close to a 10-day supply, and you can put it on the problem areas or you can put it all over your face. This collection of Jordan Essentials products is an amazing way for you to get acquainted with our skincare line. The only thing missing that I would recommend would be our toner mist. And we have a couple of different varieties of toner mist now. Some of them are boosted with essential oils. And then maybe just add on lip exfoliant and lip cherry shade duo, or one of our Shea lip tubes to just put the icing on the cake. Our Joyful Jordan boxes are $29, and the value is over $39 every month. I would say that this collection really encompasses all skin types. However, we do have a few different collections in our catalog to really cater to the needs of your skin. If you have any questions about any of these products or anything throughout the catalog, please reach out to me in the comments and I'll get back to you as quickly and as best I can. As always, thank you for being here and watching. I hope that you are just as in love with this collection. Jordan Essentials products are botanically based and non-toxic, so they are beneficial for your skin and you will not regret using them. If you liked this video, give me a thumbs up on your way out. Hit that subscribe button and the bell notification so that you don't miss another one of my videos. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.